Good day and welcome back to Spartan Entertainment and Electronics. I'm Ryan and today we're working with the electronics side of things. Before we get started, if you're new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so YouTube can alert you when I post a new video. Today we are going on an unboxing adventure. I recently released a video on the Uber 4K for $4,000 rig that I'm working on because I quit smoking. A link to that video is in the corner of the screen. This video is a follow-up to that regarding the RAM kit that I ordered. My order came in and now it's time to open it up. What we have here is the G.Skill Trident Z Neo DDR4 3600 MHz 32GB kit of random access memory or RAM or memory. Pick your poison. I purchased it from newegg.ca for $274.99 Canadian plus taxes and shipping. Grand total came to $297 and change. These Trident Z Neo kits are supposedly calibrated and optimized to run exceptionally well with the AMD Ryzen 3000 series of processors. Although I don't yet have any first-hand experience of that to confirm or deny the smoothness they promise, as this is an ongoing build. I went ahead and removed the seal so as to not fumble around with that on camera, and I'm glad I did because I really fumbled around with it. Darn thing did not want to come off. Moving on to looking at it here. Pretty simple packaging, DDR4, G.Skill, you can see the heatsink there, a nice little picture of it, branding, and the Ryzen logo. Nothing too special on the box. It says Trident Z Neo on 3 of the 4 edges. On the back here, Trident Z Neo is the next generation RGB DDR4 memory engineered to provide premium performance for the latest AMD Ryzen 3000 series processor on the X570 chipset platform. Crafted with dual-toned aluminum heat spreaders, hand-screened performance memory chips on a custom 10-layer PCB designed for superb signal integrity, as well as rigorously tested for compatibility and stability, the Trident Z Neo is the perfect choice for your next AMD system. All G.Skill memory products come with a lifetime warranty, and the G.Skill technical team is always ready to provide complete technical support via online forum, telephone, or email. I actually did not know G.Skill came with lifetime warranty, so that's kind of cool. Not too much other information. Software compatibility, MSI Mystic Light, Asus Aura Sync, RGB Fusion, so yeah, not too much other information, G.Skill contact information, etc., etc. So let's go ahead and open it up. Yeah, come on. Oh, get out of there. So, damn, those are sharp. Oh, it comes with a sticker. I like stickers. Stickers are my favorite thing ever. Come on. Be smarter than the plastic. Pretty nice looking modules. 3600, C16, 32GB. 16, 19, 1939, 1.35 volts. So, very good. Very good. Intel XMP 2.0 ready. Man, that's sharp. Such pretty looking things. So there they are. Getting fingerprints all over them. Darn it. Oh well. I am looking forward to installing these into that build. I'm excited to finish that build. It has been a long time coming, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. So, another component. Pretty excited about it. Oops, I gotta put the sticker back. Gotta put the sticker back. And there we have it, the newest part for the I Quit Smoking computer. The price component hasn't changed since the original build video I did, as I had purchased this kit before recording that video and had updated the prices accordingly there. Nonetheless, the up-to-date price breakdown for this system looks like this. I'm thinking the next part I am likely to purchase will be my second NVMe storage drive, but I haven't decided, and it depends what goes on sale and when. My parts that are remaining to be purchased are CPU, GPU, additional storage, case fans, and CPU cooler. All the really cheap stuff. In the meantime, I have purchased a graphics card from my Micro ATX build, and that part should be coming in hopefully soon. So I will be doing an unboxing and installation video for that, which I'm pretty excited to do. I should also be able to do a review on that part once I've had the chance to use it a bit. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already and hit the bell to turn on notifications so you know when those videos go up. I also build custom computer systems. If you're thinking about a new computer system, fire me off an email at SpartanEnE@gmail.com. I would love to discuss with you your budget and system requirements of a new PC, as well as get you a quote and parts breakdown. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and share this video with anyone you think may find it interesting. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.